Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the term that is called as a tooling. So what is meant by tooling basically? So when we do the machining, we require the different things for completing the machining or for manufacturing a component. So whatever the things which are required there for manufacturing, so all these things are nothing but called as a tooling. Or in another word, what we can say? The tooling is nothing but the hardware which is required or the hardware necessary to produce a particular product or the component is nothing but called as a tooling. So a considerable amount of tooling is the result of work performed by the tool designer. Tooling as a view by the tool designer consists of a vast array of cutting devices, jigs, fixture, dies, gauges, etc. So basically, when we say the tooling, there are the different types of tooling. So basically, what is meant by tooling? That when we see or when we want to do the manufacturing or when you want to manufacture a component, so definitely different hardwares which are required there. And so what are the hardwares which are required there? So for the purpose of manufacturing, so we know three things are required. Workpiece is required, cutting tool is required, then you can find machine tools are required there. But in addition to this, a certain hardwares which are required there, and all these hardwares, so which are included there in the tooling. There in the tooling. So what are the different classification of the tooling? So first type of tooling, so that is nothing but called as a cutting tool. So basically cutting tools which may be classified into different types. So there may be the single point cutting tool, there may be the multi-point cutting tool, there may be the right hand type of cutting tool, there may be the left hand type of cutting tool. Then you may find there can be a tipped type of cutting tool or there can be a solid type of cutting tool. So all these cutting tools, so basically these are nothing but one of the type of tooling which we require there. So unless and until we don't have the cutting tools, that is the cutting tool as one of the tooling, so definitely we are unable to manufacture the components. So cutting tool, so which is required there for the manufacturing, so that is nothing but we can say it is one of the type of tooling which we required there. So next type of tooling, that when you want to cut the material by using the cutting tool, so definitely whatever the workpiece is there, so it is required to be held firmly. Unless and until it is held firmly there on the machine tool table, so we are unable to cut the material accurately. And that's why for holding the workpieces and for guiding the cutting tool, a certain devices or the certain hardwares which are again required. So that hardware is nothing but we can say it is the tooling, and that hardware is nothing but we can say it is the jigs and fixtures which we require there while machining. So in short, what is meant by jigs and fixture? So jigs and fixture, these are nothing but we can say workpiece holding, and the tool guiding elements are nothing but called as a jigs and fixture. And this jigs and fixture is again one of the hardware which is required for manufacturing, and that's why this jigs and fixture is nothing but we can say one of the type of tooling, or this is nothing but one of the classification of the tooling which we required there. So next type of tooling, that we have cut the material, we have taken the cut. So after cutting the material, so definitely whatever the dimensions which is attained, which is gained, so that dimension is lying within that particular limit or not, that dimension is whatever we have manufactured, so it is correct or not, so it is required to be checked, it is required to be compared there, it is required to be measured there, and accordingly we can say that dimensions can be measured by using the measuring instruments or by using the gauges. So basically on the shop floor, the dimensions cannot be measured there by using the measuring instrument, but obviously by using the gauges, that dimensions can be checked there, can be verified there. It cannot be measured, but it can be checked there, it can be verified there, and that is nothing but called as a gauges. So gauges and measuring instruments, again these are nothing but the one of the tooling which we required there. So if you don't have the measuring instrument and the gauges, so obviously you can understand we cannot check whatever the dimensions which we have manufactured, we cannot check whether it is lying within that range or not. And that's why this is again the one of the hardware which we require there in the manufacturing, and that is nothing but called as a one of the type of tooling, that is the gauges and the measuring instrument. So next type of tooling, so that is nothing but the sheet metal press working dies for all types of sheet metal fabrication. So basically toolings, we can say it is nothing but the hardware which is required for manufacturing. And so manufacturing may be the sheet metal working, or the manufacturing may be the cutting the sheet into a particular shapes or sizes. That is also one of the kind of manufacturing, and for that purpose basically we require the sheet metal working dies, and all these sheet metal working dies are included there in the tooling. So this tooling is again, we can say in the tooling again we can say the sheet metal press working die is included there. So whatever the sheet metal working dies are there, so there can be a simple die, compound die, or the progressive die. So all the sheet metal working dies, so these are included there in the tooling. So next type of tooling, so that is nothing but the dies for plastic moldings and dies for casting and permanent molding. So all kinds of dies which are used there for the plastic molding operation, maybe the permanent molding, maybe the pressure die casting. So all kinds of dies which are used there in the hot chamber or the cold chamber die casting. So all these dies are included there in the tooling, or this is nothing but again the one of the tooling, because dies are required there, and by using that dies different types of plastics which can be shaped into a particular shapes, and that's why we can say all these plastic molding dies which are again included there in the one of the type of tooling. So next type of tooling, so that is nothing but called as a forging dies. So all kinds of operation that can be done there by using forging. So in the forging, hammer is there. In the forging, the dies are there. So obviously by using the forging dies, so we can manufacture the different components. So that's why forging dies also included there in the tooling, or this forging dies is again, we can say it is nothing but the one of the type of tooling which is going to be used there in the actual practices for producing the different components there. So again, whatever these all types of toolings are there, so you can see all these types of tooling here again. So first type of tooling, that is for the purpose of manufacturing, cutting tool is required, and obviously there are the different types of cutting tools. So here you can see a milling cutter, then we can say twist drill, different types of drills, all these cutting tools are nothing but the one of the type of tooling. So next type of tooling, so that is nothing but the jigs and fixture. So here you can observe that this one is nothing but the jig, and this one is nothing but we can say it is the fixture. So here you can observe this one is the jig. So by using this jig, so this one is nothing but the cutting tool, that is the drill, which can be guided there, and at a particular place or at an appropriate place a cylindrical hole which can be produced there by using this twist drill. So this one is nothing but the guiding plate which is used there in the jigs, So basically we can say workpiece holding and the tool guiding elements are nothing but the jigs and fixtures. So here you can find this one is the jig, because here you can find this one is nothing but the tool guiding element, that is the drill can be guided there in this particular drill bush, in this particular plates which is provided with a drill bush, and that's why this is nothing but we can say it is the jig. Then this one is nothing but we can say it is the fixture. So in this particular fixture the workpiece can be held there, and accordingly when it is held there firmly, so machining can be done there. So we can say that is one of the type of tooling, and this fixture is again required there so that the machining can be done there accurately by using this jigs and fixture. And so this is again the one of the type of tooling. So next type of tooling, that is already we have discussed, that is the gauges and the measuring instrument. So these are nothing but the gauges. So basically already I have told, that is on the shop floor components cannot be checked there directly by using the measuring instrument, but it can be verified there. It can be verified there whether it is lying there within that particular range or not. So it can be verified there by using this gauges. So here you can observe, this one is nothing but the snap gauge, this one is nothing but the plug gauge, and this is nothing but the ring gauge. And by using this snap gauge, plug gauge, ring gauge, or we can say by using the gauges, different types of components, so whether it is manufactured there, the dimension is lying whether in a particular range or not, so that can be checked there by using this particular type of gauges. And these gauges are nothing but the one of the type of tooling. So next one is measuring instruments are required there. So here you can observe, these are the measuring instruments. So this one is nothing but we can say it is the vernier caliper or the digital vernier caliper. Then we can say this one is again the micrometer. So that is nothing but the digital micrometer is there. Then again we can say this one is again the another type of this measuring instrument there, that is nothing but the dial indicator. Dial indicator which can be used there, and accordingly by using this, or these are the hardware basically which is required there for producing or for manufacturing the component, and that is nothing but the measuring instrument. So again already we have discussed another hardware, that is the sheet metal press working dies are required there. So here you can observe, this is nothing but the sheet metal press working dies which are required there. So another hardware which we required, so that is nothing but we can say the dies which are used there or which is required there for the plastic molding operation. So whatever the dies which are used there for shaping a plastic into a particular shapes, so all these dies, all these plastic molding dies are included there in the tooling. So again the next kind of tooling, that is the forging dies. So here you can observe, this one is nothing but the forging dies which is required there in case of this forging, and by using this different types or the different shapes of the components which can be forged there, maybe on the hammer or maybe on the dies, and maybe on the press working dies. So accordingly this forging dies as one of the tooling which we require there in the actual practices. So this is what is all about the tooling.